Hello, this is John Prince, an STC field rep. I'm going to do a short instructional video on how to create a special cert within the new learning portal. So the first thing I'm going to do is go and click Manage Certifications and then click on New. I'm going to select Special Certification, hit Continue. Pretty much like the current RFC system. Well, actually, if you're watching this, it's the old RFC system. Give it a fill out the forms. So I'm going to give it a title, Special Cert Test. Oops. And class size we'll say is 8. And the hours are going to be 8. We'll say this is for all classifications. And it is instructor-led. There'll be a brief summary, just explaining what the course is. Now, if this is a post course, you would put the post control number in here, and that way the reviewing field rep would know that this is a post course, and we accept post training since they are considered a sister agency, a trusted training provider. And we would definitely want to say that this is for our agency only. That way we'll keep this off of the catalog. Course information, it's all populated, and performance objectives. What did your staff? What can they do now that they've attended this training? So it could be whatever. And then we will put that we agreed it follows STC cert policy and procedures. Then we hit continue. Now, the only other things that we need to do is, now we need to add an instructor, and this is just like the WRE. So we're going to have to create a dummy account, and we're going to just go on the assumption this is a post course. So I'm going to create a new user, and we're going to call him post, and let's call it post cert. Instructor or something to that effect. The login, it doesn't really matter because no one's going to log in underneath this person. Password, you can use the standard password. Again, no one's going to log in under this person, so it doesn't really matter. Now, primary role, you will need to click as an instructor. That way, this dummy account will populate the instructor pool. Organization will be ours, and then email address, you could just put basically anything you want in here, and as long as it has a .com, it will accept it. And there we go. So now he is in here. It's cert instructor post, and now I'm going to select him. I'm going to hit update. This basically allows me to put and now he's selectable. So I need to go ahead and basically put what the course was about. It could be, and since it's a trusted course from post, so we're going to put it from 8 and let's say 1700, and then I'm going to go ahead and just put this in again, post control number, and we'll have that in there, and then the field rep knows, oh, okay, and we add, so that looks good, close, and then we're going to add the date that this occurred. So and if you've heard the other videos, these first two, event ID and subject ID, these are completely there for your disposal, but they are optional. Where did this occur at? And what was the time frame? I mean the date and time, so let's say actually the 13th, and we know that it was going to be 8 hours. So select and update. So now that we have created this activity or this date, and we're going to go ahead and add who went to this course. Now it says new user. If you have a staff member that's not currently entered in the learning portal, you would hit this. If they are, then you could just hit click on edit, and it'll give you a list of the folks that are in your organization. So we'll say that Billy went to this particular special cert. So hit update. I don't want to send him an email notification. I'm going to hit no, and I'm going to hit continue. And then so he completed this, and update. So now he's attached to that. For this particular date, you could have multiple dates. Some special certs are used over and over for different same course, but then given on multiple dates, and you could add those dates. And just remember that a special cert is only good for 1 year. So we'll go ahead and close this. So I have completed all the required fields. So at this time, I can submit it to the STC field rep for my review. And now it is submitted pending approval. And that's basically it as far as completing a special cert. It is a little different than the current RFC, that you do have to include something in the outline area, and that's just a requirement of the new learning portal for you to be able to submit the course. Like I said, the vast majority of special certs are either going to be post courses or other trusted partners, and you would just put basically a general statement in that outline of what the training consisted of. So that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to contact your assigned field rep. Or if you have questions about this particular video, please post them in the forums section at the top of the, right here, my forums. And the great thing about doing that is other folks can see your comments and our reply to those comments.